construction of the sections that are at odds apparently dito sa Section 1 of the law, itong sa good conduct na batas, and Section 1 and Section 3. Apparently, this was a law in 2014, and they decided to make it operative, I would say, maybe in 2015. Thinking ko lang, because you have to publish the laws and everything. From my experience as a president, these are the lag time that it would take for a law to be implemented. So one is that Faildon has to go, because Faildon disobeyed my order.